Welcome to another deep dive. Today we're looking at something pretty incredible. AI is already doing amazing things like chess and protein folding, but the physical world stuff we find easy has always been a challenge for AI. That's where physical intelligence comes in. They're revolutionizing robotics with their new AI model, Bio. Imagine just explaining a new skill to a robot like you would to a friend. That's the potential Laro unlocks. Instead of programming it for each specific task, Bio actually learns. It develops an understanding of how to move and interact with the physical world, just like we do. One of the things that makes Mio so remarkable is that it's a generalist, not limited to one type of robot or task, adaptable to different hardware and a wide range of jobs. And that's because it's trained on a massive data set of robot movement data, like giving zero access to the experiences of millions of robots. Of course, gathering that much data is a huge task. So physical intelligence got smart. They leveraged pre-trained vision language models. Essentially, Mio was learning from the internet. It's already absorbed tons of information about the world, giving it a head start. But how does this translate to real-time robot control? Grabbing a coffee cup without crushing it, for example. That kind of finesse has been tough for robots. The key is a special architecture called flow matching. This lets speckle control robots precisely at a super high frequency, 50 commands per second. That enables a level of dexterity we haven't really seen before, far beyond those clunky robot movements. And just like a skilled artisan Ree's training happens in stages. First, it gets a broad understanding of the world through all that internet data. Then it's fine-tuned for specific tasks, allowing it to be incredibly precise. This multi-stage approach is really pushing the boundaries. And the results are clear. Physical intelligence tested Toro rigorously, and it consistently beat other robot foundation models. But it's not just picking up blocks. Madhu is doing things that have always been difficult for robots. Tasks that need a deep understanding of physics and object manipulation, like laundry folding. Have you ever tried to fold a fitted sheet? Even for us, it's tough. But Sudor can fold laundry from a hamper, not just a single shirt, but a whole pile. That's seriously impressive. And it's not just pre-programmed movements. One is actually showing something called emergent intelligence. For example, when it was bussing a table, it figured out how to stack dishes to clear it more efficiently. It even learned to shake off trash from plates before putting them in the bin. These weren't things it was programmed to do. They came up organically from its training. That's a sign of real intelligent adaptation. It's not just following orders, it's problem solving. So we've got a robot that learns from tons of data, controls its movements precisely, and even adapts to the unexpected. No wonder people are excited. Jeff Bezos himself led a huge $400 million funding round in physical intelligence. That's a big vote of confidence. This isn't just a research project. It's a technology with real-world applications. And we're just getting started. So what does all this mean? Well, one is a huge step forward in robotics. We could be entering an era where robots can do complex real-world tasks, not just in labs, but in our homes, workplaces, even out in the world.